Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write vertical text in Google Sheets. So if you want to make text go up or down in Google Sheets, this is how you can write vertical text in under a minute. So first you can just click the cell or highlight the range that you want to rotate. So this one's in here. And after that, you can go to the toolbar and click on the text rotation icon. It looks like an A with an arrow. This one. And now what you need to do is just choose the stack vertically or rotate up. This one or this one. Let's say this one in here. And now you can see the text will go like this, and you can also center it to just hit the horizontal and vertical align buttons for the perfect look, just like this. And that's it, vertical text like a pro in Google Sheets. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.